Sentera, providing in-season remote sensing insights to make farming more efficient, helping growers to maximize profitability while reducing environmental impact.
The goal is it's really getting enough fertilizer into the crop without having excess loss that would get into the water or into the atmosphere.
Supporting sustainability goals while meeting an expanding global demand for higher quality food will require more innovative research and capable sensing technologies. As a world leader in remote sensing for agriculture, Sentera is uniquely equipped to help researchers address this challenge.
We've taken our experience building very easy to use commercial product and very advanced remote sensing capabilities on the enterprise side, and the result is the 6X multispectral sensor.
The 6X features 5 simultaneously triggered 3.2 megapixel global shutter imagers and one 20 megapixel RGB imager, each with a dedicated high-quality optical path.
So the optical performance of the 6X is phenomenal, but we have also packed this with a ton of other features that make it a very compelling remote sensing product. Sentera is in control of the entire image processing pipeline that allows us to co-register the images in real time and capture uncompressed, full-frame imagery at multiple frames per second, which is essential from a moving platform. And there's just a ton of overhead available for customers that are interested in deploying machine learning or computer vision analytics right on the sensor head.
The technology packed into the 6X delivers a highly efficient data collection experience. 6X offers integration with virtually all drone platforms, and the data is compatible with the tools researchers already use. Users will spend less time gathering data and more time developing the insights that power innovation.
A best case scenario, travel out to the field site, travel back with the data, do the processing, email it down to the folks at the research station, have them follow some protocol. We could be able to do that maybe right there in the field in one day and upload that right into the tractor. But we could be doing experiments on more the grower level and arguably the things that the farmers really care about.